In the limits today, number one question, limit x tends to 2 plus. This is set function x, bracket of x. So this is totally called as set function, that is denoted by bracket x is equal to how much? Here x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus meaning about 2 values. That means x tends to 2 plus meaning it implies x lies between 2 to 3, 2 above. So in this case, bracket x value how much? So that integer bracket x is equal to 2 to 3. The minimum value taken as 2. Bracket x is equal to 2. When limit x tends to 2 plus 2 above values, 2 to 3 in between, that we consider as minimum integer 2. This is the 2 answer. So that means first option. Whereas in this case, limit x tends to 2 minus set function x, bracket x. Here x tends to 2 minus, x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus meaning here 2 below values. That means 1 to 2 implies x lies between 1 to 2. So x2 tends to 2 minus means 1 to 2. So the least value considered as 1. So here bracket x is equal to 1. So here also first option. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by root x is equal to 0, 1 by 2, 1 does not exist. Here limit x tends to 0 plus, consider as sin x by root x. It is written as limit x tends to 0 plus sin x by root x is written as x into root x. Here x is positive. So this value sin x by x, it is also positive. This is 1 now into 0 is equal to 0. If negative also, limit x tends to 0 minus sin x by root x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus sin x by x into root x. X tends to 0 minus here. So this is minus 1. This is 0. X, if negative value, that is root of negative, that is imaginary number. So imaginary number into minus 1, it is imaginary. Both are not equal. This is the right hand limit, this is the left hand limit. Positive is the right hand limit, negative is the left hand limit. So both are not equal. LHL is not equal to RHL. If both are not equal, that function does not exist at x tends to 0 plus. Does not exist. But here asking 0 plus only. 0 plus only. That's why according to this 0 plus, this value exists 0. So here does not exist, here exists. Both functions does not exist, but whereas x tends to 0 plus, it is exist. 1 into 0. 0 is the right answer. This is the not answer. Does not exist. But here 0 plus it is exist. That value is 0. Option is first option. No confusion here. Only asking 0 plus. That's why it is the positive into 0, 0. Here imaginary number. Both are not exist. But here only 0 plus case it is exist. That value 0. Next here. In this function, here 4 power of n, 5 power of n. So maximum value is in 4, 5. 5 is the greatest value. So we take it outside for 5 power of n. 4 power n plus 5 power n whole power of 1 by n, whereas limit n tends to infinity here. So in this 5 power of n taken outside, 1 plus this is 1 plus this is 4 power n by 5 power n and whole power 1 by n. If again we multiply here 5 power of n into 1, 5 power of n, here this cancel, again 4 power tends to infinity. Next this into this, both are products, so separate it. 5 power n power 1 by n, it is n into 1 by n. Again next this 1 plus 4 by 5 power n whole power 1 by n. Next step. So this n cancel, whereas limit n tends to infinity, same as. So this 5 is power 1, 5 constant outside. Next limit n tends to infinity as it is. Here this is written as 1 plus 4 by 5 power n. Here this reciprocal is needed. Reciprocal what? 5 by 4 power n. 5 by 4 power n. This is extra term. That's why for cancellation again multiply 4 by 5 power n. After this 1 by n is there. So in this case 5 into up to here this area 1 plus 4 by 5 power n power 5 by 4 n. This value is e, we know that, e. Power here 4 by 5 power n again multiply 1 by n. So anyhow n tends to infinity here, 1 by infinity 0. So this value 4 by 5 power of n into 0, 0, e power of 0 coming totally. This value e, n tends to infinity apply here, 1 by infinity 0, 0 into this value 0. That's why e power of 0 coming, e power of 0, 1, any value power of 0, something power of 0, value 1, 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So here third option is the right answer. Third option. Here limit extends to a power x minus x power of a by x power x minus a power a is equal to minus 1 given. Then a value how much? Here we don't know a value. That a value, this value is how much? Equal to limit minus 1 given. So in this case, we check if extends to a, here a power of a minus a power of a, 0, numerator 0. Here a power of a minus a power of a, 0, denominator also 0. So it is in the form of 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. Indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. By using L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. What is the L'Hospital rule? Differentiation to all terms. Limit extends to a as it is. A power of x differentiation a power of x log a minus x power of a differentiation x power of n type, n into x power of n minus 1. So a into x power of a minus 1 division x power of x differentiation x power of x into 1 plus log x. We know this, otherwise we find x power of x differentiation x power of x into 1 plus log x minus a power a differentiation 0. Why? Because it is the constant. Now limit x tends to a apply. Here a power of a log a minus a into a power a minus 1 division a power of a 1 plus log a is equal to minus 1 given. Here also minus 1. So here a power of a, this a power of 1, a power of a minus 1, this one cancel. Only a power of a here. Here also a power of a. We taken common outside a power of a common. Log a minus 1. Here only a power of a. This value is equal to a power of a. That's why here putting 1. Division. Here also a power of a 1 plus log a is equal to minus 1. So a power of a, this terms cancelled. This term cancelled. So here log a minus 1 by 1 plus log a. Cross multiplication. On cross multiplication, log a minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus log a. So here minus 1 cancel. 2 log a is equal to 0. So outside 0, 2 also gets cancelled. Log a is equal to 0. Then a is equal to e power of 0. A is equal to e power of 0 means 1. A is equal to 1 value. So first option. First option is the, here x tends to 5 by 2. Bracket of x, step function of sin x. Here x tends to 5 by 2 implies sin x value lies between 0 to 1. X tends to 5 by 2, not exactly 5 by 2, below 5 by 2. That means x lies between 0 to 5 by 2. So in the 0 to 5 by 2 first quadrant, sin x value 0 to 1 in between. So then mod sin x value, step function sin x is equal to 0 to 1, minimum value is the 0, is equal to 0. 0 is the right answer. So second option. Here similar to before problem, limit x tends to 0, cos x step function given. So here x tends to 0 implies cos x value, it is also 0 to 1. So bracket of x value, cos x value is equal to minimum value 0. Step function cos x is equal to 0 when x tends to 0. If cos 0, 1, but not exactly 0, it is reached to 0. That value cos x value 0 to 1. So minimum value considered as 0. That's why step function cos x is equal to 0 also. Second option. Here limit x tends to 0, a power x plus b power x plus c power of x by 3 whole power of 2 by x. So here power function is this one. So we are taking logarithm. Let us, this limit is equal to y. Let y is equal to limit x tends to 0, a power x plus b power x c power x by 3 to the power 2 by x. Apply the logarithm on both sides. log y is equal to limit x tends to 0 log of a power x plus b power x plus c power of x by 3 power 2 by x. After this, log y is equal to limit x tends to 0, that 2 by x come outside, log a power x plus b power of x c power of x by 3. How it is? Since the formula log m to the power of n is equal to n into log m, by using this formula logarithms, so it is next here apply 0, a power of 0 1, b power of 0 1, c power of 0 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 by 3 log 1 0, above value 0, below value also 0. Otherwise this expansion log m by n also considered. Log limit x tends to 0, 2 by x log of this value log m by n, log a power x, b power of x, c power of x, log m minus log 3. This is log m by n formula. Since log m by n is equal to log m minus log n, according to this formula we apply here. After that we check limit x tends to 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, log 3 minus log 3 0, above value 0, below value also x 0. That's why we using the L'Hospital rule. By using L'Hospital rule, two constant here, limit x tends to 0 as it is, two constant. This differentiation 1 by a power of x plus b power of x plus c power of x, log x differentiation 1 by x. Again differentiation of this a power of x differentiation a power of x log a plus b power of x b power of x log b plus c power of x log c, log 3 differentiation 0. After this, denominator x is here, x differentiation 1, whereas limit x tends to 0. After this, apply the x tends to 0, here 2 multiply x power x 0, a power 0 1, this 1, this 1 by 3 inside, here a power of 0 1 log a only, here log b only, here log c only. So this is 2 by 3 constant outside, this is log a plus log b plus log c, it is written as log abc, log of abc. After this step, this 2 by 3 going to power log abc power 2 by 3. So in left side log y is there, so both sides logarithms there, we cancellation log y, so y is equal to abc power of 2 by 3. This is the right answer. So which option in this here? Second option, right answer, second option. Here ninth problem, if limit x tends to 0, x to the power n minus sin of x power of n, denominator x minus here sin x to the power n, here sin x to the power of n, here sin power of n, that is the difference. So it is the non-zero finite, not zero and finite, then n must be equal to, n value how much? It is not 0, 0 not. So here solution, if we apply n is equal to 1, then it is suitable or not? N is equal to 1, then that function x power of 1 minus sin x power of 1 by x minus sine power of 1x. So it is x minus sine x by x minus sine x. So it is the same term. It is the same term. That's why it is cancelled by 1. So 1 it is non-zero and finite. That's why this value is n is equal to 1 is the right answer. This value, first option. First option is the right answer. Next here, if x tends to 1, sine of e power of x minus 1 minus 1. Division log x. We check once whether it is in indeterminate form or not. X tends to 1 means e power of 1 minus 1, e power of 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. And denominator log 1, log 1 value also 0. That's why it is 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. So indeterminate form. By using L'Hospital rule. By using L'Hospital rule. Sine differentiation cos e power of x minus 1 minus 1. Sine differentiation is over. In that inside e power of x minus 1 minus 1 is there. This differentiation e power of x minus 1 as it is. One differentiation 0. Division log x differentiation 1 by x. Whereas in limit x tends to 1. Now again we apply the same form. X tends to 1. So here 1 minus 1 0. E power of 0 1. 1 minus 1 0. This total value 0. Cos of 0. Cos of 0 value. Here also e power of 1 minus 1 0 by 1 by 1. So this is cos 0 value 1. E power of 0 also 1. This is 1. Total answer 1. So first option is the right answer. First option is the right answer. Solution. X tends to 0. It implies cos x value lies between 0 to 1. Cos function or sin function always lies between minus 1 to plus 1. But here 0 to 1, x tends to 0. That's why cos x 0 to 1, step function cos x is equal to 0. Minimum value here 0. So that's why consider 0. Next, sine of step function cos x, sine of 0, this value is equal to 0. So 0 by something, 0 by something. Finally, sine of cos x by 1 plus cos x, limit x tends to 0 is equal to 0 by 1 plus bracket cos x is equal to 0, 1 plus 0. 0 by something is equal to 0 answer. So second option is the right answer. Second option.